Drew's Roofing and Home Repair down here in sunny southeast North Carolina. We have a mobile home, which is pretty much your standard single wide mobile home. The only difference is it has a little section right here that we have to deal with. But in, what was that, Virginia, we went and did one in Virginia. Paul wasn't with me. We went and did one in Virginia that was just like that, and I have videos of it. So that is not an issue. Reflashing, coming out with that, bringing its overhang out, making it look real cool. So this is just a standard mobile home. What did you say it was, 68 feet? Plus overhangs on one end down here, so 69, you might as well say, with a 12 by 32 porch or something like that, 34. So on the porch itself, it has shingles, which, how in the world do you tie in shingles to a mobile home metal roof? Well, you don't. Not without a whole bunch of leaks all the time. There's no way that thing's not leaking in between the porch and the roof. So a rubber roof would go all the way over the whole thing and turn into just one big rubber roof. And when I do my estimates, I always figure this is the way they look at the beginning. But check out my videos. We give it a 6-inch overhang. You was in OSB, 4x8 sheets. And if you watch how we start the roof, we always mark off our rafters, make sure we know where everything is, clean off the roof, pop the lines on it. The lines are so when we start laying our plywood, we know that it's on a rafter. Has to be on a rafter, and we use screws. We never nail it down, the OSB. We always use like 1.25" to 1.5" screws. 1.5" are best. And I use an exterior decking screw. So we're hoping we end up doing this one. We're gonna give him an estimate. I gave him one already, but I'm gonna give him another one and let him know I've been here. This guy does not live here, and this is Sunset Beach, North Carolina. So hopefully we'll get to do this one, and you'll get to watch us do it on video. Be watching, because we do have one to do within the next 2 or 3 weeks. But before that, we're gonna start the floors. So be watching my videos if you're interested in mobile home repair, because we're getting ready to do another mobile home from one end to the other, side to side, floors replacement. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you when we get there. If you live in Brunswick County, North Carolina, and you have a mobile home like this one, you can pretty much plan on having a new roof, just like what you've been watching us do for the past however long, 13 years that I've been making videos. We didn't do them like we do, we don't do them now like we did them then. A lot better, of course we've upgraded. But something like this would cost you $8,500 to get the rubber roof on that we do on our videos. So thank you everybody for watching, and if this is something you're interested in, give me a call, 910-845-2207, or send me a text message at 910-294-1761. Ask for Drew. And if you also check out our other videos, we do a little bit of traveling. We used to say we would go 10 hours. Now we say 6 hours, and we go 6 hours by Google Maps, because sometimes a 6-hour trip turns into a 10-hour trip. So that's our max, 10 hours. So 6 hours from our address will give us about 9 to 10 hour drive. That's as far as we go. So hopefully if you have something like that and you're within that distance of 28461, give us a call. We'll be glad to help. If it's not something we can help with, the pop-ups up here. If there's not something we can help with, then you can call me and I'll answer any questions you have. Like, where do you get your material? Where do you get the glue? Where do you do this? Where do you do that? If you just have a leak problem in your roof and you want to know how to fix it, I just gave you my telephone number where you can send me a text message, send me a picture. I'll answer questions for anybody. Thanks again for watching, everybody. We'll see you on the next one.